me on my way now. You just give me a...
Hey, welcome back everyone. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Today we're making delicious gluten-free pita bread. So the first thing you're going to want to do is measure out 4 cups of gluten-free flour. As you can see today we're using an Italian gluten-free flour by the brand Caputo. Their flour is fantastic, it's easy to bake with, it makes for great pizza crust, pita bread, anything you like. Next, we're going to measure out 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast and add that to your flour. Alright, next we are adding 1 tablespoon of raw honey from Costco to our mix. This honey will not make your pita bread sweet, but it will activate your yeast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next, let's add 1 teaspoon of salt, and we'll also add 1 1/4 cup of lukewarm water to our mixture. Now here's the fun part. If you don't have a stand mixer like me, we're going to go ahead and stir our ingredients together, both wet and dry, and then take our dough out of the bowl, place it onto our countertop, and knead. Once you've combined all of your ingredients and you've kneaded your dough thoroughly, go ahead and roll your dough out into a large tube and slice your tube into 8 sections. Next, we'll take each section and roll it into a sphere. In each sphere, we'll end up flattening into about a 1-inch thick pita bread, which we will cook on the stovetop. So you'll want to go ahead and spray your skillet with a bit of avocado oil or olive oil and cook each side of the pita bread for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's golden brown on the outside and soft on the inside. Let these babies cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then enjoy.